Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Beauty by AJ, and today's video is going to be an updated hair review on this Maxine and Lemoda hair. So if you would like to see my updated review on this product, make sure you keep on watching. Also, if you're new to this channel, make sure you're subscribed and make sure you hit the notification button so you can be updated whenever I upload a new video. Alright guys, so it's officially been 4 months since I've had this hair. It really doesn't feel like it's been that long, but it's been 4 months and I have nothing but positive things to say about this hair. If you haven't seen my initial review on this hair, make sure you check that out. I'll leave it in this video, and make sure you watch that so you can know like how much I paid for it, how long it took, you know, all the deets on that. I got the bundles from Maxine Hair Company. It was a 18, a 20, and 2 22s, so I got 4 bundles. And then I got the closure from Lemoda Hair Company or something like that, and I got an 18-inch closure. And I will link all that below if I can find it on AliExpress, because you know they like to change their website every day. So I had this hair for 4 months and it's been like really good. Like, I haven't worn it consistently for 4 months, but I've worn it for like at least 2 months straight, and then for the other 2 months it's been on and off. Because this is a wig, I can just take it off every night and then put it back on, which I really love. And that makes this hair so low maintenance because I do have the ease of just taking it off. I did use almost all of the hair. There was like a little bit left, but I didn't use it, I don't think. So this is how the hair looks. It's not as thick and fluffy as it was in the other video. I have product on it, so that's why it looks kind of flat, but this is how I like it. Because it is summer and it is hot, this hair can get, like, it can make you really hot. So I tend to just use a product on it, which I talked about in my last video. I tend to just use product on it to keep it like sleek looking and like flat, because big poofy hair with this 90-100 degree weather is not the move. In my last video I talked about the shedding and the tangling. Right now in my 4 months that I've had it, it doesn't really tangle that much until when I wash it. That's when I get all the kinks and whatnot out, but it is a wavy texture, so it's not going to be just buttery smooth. But it doesn't tangle too much, like it's nothing unbearable. As far as shedding, in my last video I talked about there being some shedding, but I think that's because when I got toward the top of this wig, I did start cutting to make it flatter. Right now I don't have any shedding, but when I detangle it and all that, you know, I do get some of the shed hairs, but it doesn't shed while I'm not washing it, so I don't find little hairs on my clothes and all that, which is really great. As far as the closure, because it is from a different company, it's the same as the hair. I haven't had any issues with it. I did bleach the knots, which you can probably tell. I bleached the knots, and this was my first time ever bleaching anything, and it turned out really good. I really love this. Like, I've had this same part the whole time I've had this wig, and it still looks pretty good. It doesn't look like it's getting whiter, like the hairs are coming out, so that is a good thing. Yeah, like the closure and the hair, you can't even tell it's from 2 different companies. Also, in my last video I talked about me cutting the hair. This hair was 22 inches, but I cut it, I think I cut it to about an even 20 inches, so technically I have like 3 bundles of 20 inches. But I cut it because the ends were kind of scraggly looking, which kind of happens with AliExpress hair, but it's not an issue. Since I've cut it, it still looks good. I'm going to show you guys what it looks like. Okay, so this is how long the hair is. It's about boob length. So this is how it looks, and the ends still look pretty decent. There's not an issue with those, so yeah. Right now, the pros are that this hair is so beautiful. It's so pretty, especially when it's freshly washed, because that's when the texture really comes out and it's defined and it's moisturized and it just looks so bomb. So that is definitely a pro. Another pro is that I get compliments on it all the time, which who doesn't love compliments? So that is a pro, because the hair is so pretty and it's just so, like, I don't know, it's just so pretty and so defined that people always ask me where I got it from, what hair is this, you know, yada yada yada. So I really love that. The hair doesn't shed. Like I said, it only sheds whenever I detangle it when I'm washing it. And the hair doesn't really tangle. I don't run my fingers through it because it is a wavy texture, but it doesn't tangle that bad. So that's a pro, because with some curly textures, you know, it can get tangled, and a tangle can turn into a mat real quick. And also this hair it likes product, like I said in my other video. It still loves product. Those are the pros right now. The cons are that it does get dry. After like a few days of it being washed, like it'll start looking dry, which you could easily just wash it again, but I don't want to wash the hair every 3 days. So I just maintain it by using the Bella Curls. Well, I section the hair, then I spritz it with water, and then I use this tangle teaser. It has hair coming from it, but I use this tangle teaser and I just like brush the sections while it's wet to kind of get rid of the tangles and to bring out the pattern, the curl pattern. And then I use the Bella Curls. Good stuff right here, $5 from Dollar General. I use this leave-in conditioner and then I put it on the hair, and that re-moisturizes it, and it also helps the pattern come out. So I use that, and I do that all over my head, and then I'm ready to go. And that should last me for like another 3 days or so, and then it'll be time for me to wash the hair. Now, I don't necessarily wash it every single, you know, week, but I should, but I'm lazy, so I don't. But yeah, that's just one of the cons, and yeah, that's really all the cons that I have, is that this hair can get dry really quick. So I really do love this hair. It is bomb. It is one of the best hairs that I've ever had because it doesn't require much maintenance. I do have a wig, as I already said, so I can take it off and on, and I can, you know, wash it while it's off. I don't have to worry about, you know, sleeping with it on and all that kind of stuff that can make it tangled and matte and all that. If you have it in a sew-in, I'm sure it's going to be more maintenance because you have to make sure that it doesn't tangle while it's on your head. That is something you need to be weary about. It's good wig hair, but I don't know about sew-in hair because it's a lot. Yeah, that's pretty much all I have for you guys. I have nothing but good things to say. Even though the hair does get dry, it doesn't take much to re-moisturize it. So I don't really have any cons, just that one thing if I had to say anything negative. If you are looking for some bomb water wave hair, definitely check this out. It is pretty affordable and it is bomb. Like, I have nothing bad to say about it. So make sure you like this video. Leave a comment below if you plan on trying this out. If you have any other questions that I didn't address, if you want to know more about it, you know, all that, leave a comment below and I'll definitely get to you. And make sure you're subscribed. Join my YouTube journey because I need subscribers. So definitely subscribe and make sure you hit the notification button so you can be updated whenever I upload a new video. As always, guys, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my video next week.